Bentar. Oke. You do the NP kata. Train power, train speed. Latih kecepatan, latih keteguhan kuda-kuda. Ya. Silakan, Magure. This is the NP kata. Power speed. Jadi ontal-ontal lima harus kencang. Remember Kiai. Very good. Bagus sekali, Max. Tapi usahakan di mana kamu mulai di sana berakhir, ya. Kalau pindah lokasi orang berarti ada kuda-kuda yang jaraknya lebar berubah-ubah, belum konstan. Oke, saya siap. Bas Saide. Apa main apal kata Tokui? Oke, Bas Saide. Unsu besar. Oke, lanjutkan. Max. Johnson suruh nih. Apa kata Tokui? NP maksudnya apa Ben? Unsur besar. Latihan lagi. Oke. Correct. I think enough today.
Yeah,
Very relaxing. Close it.
I'm impressed. Wow.
Yeah. But the next you can do. Oh. Yeah. More practice. Ketika, oi. Okay. Rotate your hand with hot power, with hot energy. It's a relaxation. Rotate back with hot power, with hot energy. Rotate your neck. Just slowly. Relaxation. Rotate back. Rotate back. Clear power with hot energy. Okay, pull your breath. Shape your stomach in the Dharma chakra. Push out from your mouth slowly. Reach out again, pull again. Shape your stomach. Push out slowly. Pull again. Shape your stomach in the Dharma chakra. Explode to your mouth. Okay, repeat again. Explode. Okay, now you go full down. Look like sleep. Ayo, udah. Close your eyes. Tutup matamu. Yuk. Rasakan tubuhmu tanpa energi, tanpa tenaga. Lost your power, lost your energy. Lost your body. Rasakan tanpa tenaga, tanpa energi. Kamu seperti Bante itu. Rasakan hanya roh. Just feel your soul. Just feel your soul. Okay, on this position. Now don't feel your body. Jangan merasakan tubuh. Jangan merasakan tubuh. Jangan merasakan dirimu sendiri. Don't feel yourself. Now just feel the peaceful. Sekarang hanya merasakan kedamaian. Bayangkan kita berada di lautan cahaya. Hanya merasakan kita ada dalam cahaya. Just feel you in the brightness, the spiritual energy. Okay, just feel yourself. Just feel all around universe is peaceful. Atas alam semesta adalah damai. Sekarang, now you do the smile. Just smile. Feel the energy of smile. Sekarang senyum. Senyum tanpa merasakan badan, tanpa merasakan wajah, tapi senyum. Seluruh energi positif alam semesta mendekat dan menyatu dengan dirimu. So all positive energy in the universe to be one with yourself. More again, deep inside. Semakin kuat menyatu dengan dirimu. Kamu semakin senyum. You get the happiness, you get the peaceful, you get the wisdom. Kamu merasakan kesehatan yang luar biasa. You feel the healthy, it's powerful. Merasakan kedamaian luar biasa, kebahagiaan yang luar biasa, dan keberuntungan yang tiada tara. And you will be get the lucky, wisdom, the peaceful, the healthy in your life. Now you just feel the peaceful and smiling. Rasakan senyum dan kedamaian. Ketika buka mata, kamu bisa merasakan kebahagiaan yang luar biasa. I give you complete time. Saya hitung sampai 3, hitung 3, buka mata. Posisi, time, open your eyes and do it. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes and wake up. Buka matamu, berdiri. Enjoy it.
Stand up.
Yeah. Relaxation also. Just now we do relaxation our body and this is relaxation for us. Rika, hey! Pray to our God. We say thank you for our participation. Remember, smile to everyone, to everybody, to all around you. See you next time. Us.
Os.
Okay. We enough chicken.